While most of the Western countries have made their own helicopters, the US still reigns supreme with their vast fleets of helicopters of every category imaginable. This video examines some of the most diverse range of American helicopters which have played their part in the helicopter revolution. So sit tight and strap your seatbelts while we go on a journey to meet these rotary winged beauties and beasts. Top 5 future helicopters of the U.S. military. Top 1. Sikorsky S-97 Raider. Although it is not in service with the U.S. military, this list would be incomplete without the incredible Sikorsky S-97 Raider. Built to meet a future U.S. Army requirement for an armed aerial scout, the Raider incorporates a lot of new technologies which enable it to excel in the battlefield and outperform its competition. The most noticeable feature of the helicopter is its coaxial rotor system, which is typically found on the Russian Kamov helicopters and the pusher propeller. This design provides a major improvement over a conventional helicopter design as no energy is wasted trying to counter the rotation of the main rotor using a tail rotor. Instead, the coaxial rotors cancel out each other's torque and provide the required lift, while the pusher propeller provides the forward thrust, which gives it the extra push needed to fly faster than its contemporaries. (2) CH-53 King Stallion. This is the most powerful helicopter the United States has ever fielded, not only the most powerful, the most modern and also the smartest. But boy, the King Stallion is expensive as he. Back in April 2017, a leaked decision memo revealed that each CH-53K would cost around $135 million. A month later, that figure had ballooned to $144 million apiece. All of these figures are well above the multi-million-dollar price tag of the notoriously garbage F-35A Lightning II Joint Strike Fighter, which has seen its price decline in recent weeks. (3) CH-47 Chinook. Again, we have a helicopter which was developed during the Vietnam and survives to this day in a modern avatar. The CH-47 Chinook has a unique tandem rotor design which allows maximum utilization of the power generated by the engines to lift the helicopter. Since there is no tail rotor, all the power is sent to the two main rotors which rotate in opposite directions at different elevations. This gives the Chinook the ability to carry large payloads to high altitudes. With the ability to carry a 24,000-pound (10,800 kilograms) load underslung, 20,000 pounds (9,000 kilograms) inside the cabin, or alternatively 55 troops seated internally, the Chinook is a massive flying truck. (4) V-22 Osprey. The Osprey is the ultimate transformer and is something straight out of a sci-fi movie. While taking off, it looks like a helicopter with side-by-side propellers. Nothing unusual there, but the magic starts a few seconds after it lifts off from the ground like a normal helicopter. The rotor blades start to tilt forward with the wing, and as your jaw drops, the helicopter is now a twin-propeller aeroplane. This transformer technology is not just a visual treat, but it has immense practical value as well. That's why the U.S. military is operating this aircraft and has ordered several hundred of it. The V-22 in the aircraft mode can travel twice as fast as a regular helicopter. This gives it a major advantage while transporting troops over hostile territory, while bringing back injured troops, carrying out disaster relief operations and conducting Special Forces insertion missions. UH-60 Black Hawk. After the era of the Huey came the era of the Black Hawk. The backbone of the U.S. Army tactical transport, the Black Hawk, was developed as a high-tech, bigger and more powerful replacement for the UH-1 Huey. Having entered service in 1979, the Black Hawk has become famous due to the 1993 incident in Mogadishu, Somalia, where two of them were shot down in an urban combat environment, resulting in the "Black Hawk Down" phrase spreading widely, including being the title of a movie on the same incident. The UH-60 has a payload of 2,600 pounds (1,200 kilograms) internally or 9,000 pounds (4,100 kilograms) externally slung underneath. Its cabin can accommodate a maximum of 12 troops or 6 stretchers for medical evacuation. The Black Hawk is a very versatile helicopter and has evolved into dozens of variants, including the famous Stealth Hawk, which carried out the famous Operation Neptune Spear. The other important variant is the naval SH-60 Seahawk, which is the present mainstay of the U.S. Navy for anti-submarine, anti-surface, transport and search and rescue missions. Several Seahawks are embarked on each U.S. Navy aircraft carrier and amphibious assault ships, whereas their destroyers carry a standard complement of 2 Seahawks. The SH-60 is equipped with a powerful surface search radar, dipping sonar, sonobuoys, and can carry torpedoes, anti-ship missiles, and depth charges to engage ships and submarines. Both variants have had export success and are in service with over 20 countries.